What the fuck? All right, bumper's off. I just kind of was doing a little bit of test fitting. I think we're gonna do right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut a little notch out of here so we can place that. Where did I put it? So we can place this over here, and then we're only gonna get one bolt in, but then I'm gonna make an L bracket to put on the back side back here. So then it'll sit on the back side of the beam and then bolt into one of these guys to give it some extra support. What the fuck? Okay, so we got upper hole drilled and it fits the bolt, and then the bottom side here. We still gotta drill that back hole. And then this bolt is just a little too big, so we gotta drill out where we're mounting it. Now I'm talking. Okay, so I'm gonna have to take this off. I just kind of test fit it, and it seems to fit pretty good. I don't hate it, but I got to get a bolt back there. And I went to Home Depot and got a couple brackets. 'Cause I figured I could use them another time, anyways. And then since I don't fabricate, you know, I don't do any welding. It's just kind of bending and stuff. None of these are for this type of application, but. This one was thick, so I thought I'd get this one, see how it fits. Okay, so I drilled, ooh, that's not very centered, but that should be okay. So what the purpose of this is to have it mounted like this, so that when it pulls, the load isn't just on one bolt, it kind of spreads it out a little bit. Okay, so a little bit of a mess. And I want to say this one more time. This is for emergencies only. This isn't like, so crash bars, you know, should not be used with tow hooks. Tow hooks should not be connected to these. It should be connected, you know, somewhere under the chassis. You know, not here. Oh my goodness. Plastic everywhere. Next thing to do is the scary part, and that's cutting out the bumper. I got it roughly marked out. Should have enough info to kind of get close, and then if I need to, I can go around it a little bit. Let's go just get it over with, cut it up, and then we'll test fit it.
Mm.